Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Quick Guide. Today, I'm back with another video to help you guys on how you can log in into your employee account of TESCO. First of all, just go on to your search engine and on the search bar, just type in TESCO Employee Login and hit enter. After doing so, many links will pop up on the screen. Just go on to the first link that shows up. After doing so, it will take you to the official site of TESCO where you need to put your credentials in order to successfully sign into your account. Here you can see you need to input your username of TESCO that you used while signing up to this account. And after doing so, after putting your correct username, just hit on continue and you'll be redirected to another interface where you need to put your correct passport in order to successfully sign in to your TESCO account. Here you can see is a remember me button as well. If you are using a private computer, I would advise you can click this remember me button for more easier access. But if you are on a public computer, I would not recommend you on using this remember me button. So guys, this was for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful. Sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.